Hey YouTube, what's up? How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a good day. If you're not having a good day, go out and have yourself a good day. Find something that will make you have a good day. It's out there, you have to find it sometimes, especially with the season that we're going through. The whole COVID, the pandemic, it's been blah. So, I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. Been a couple weeks since we've done the show. Had some things change around on the show, as you guys may have noticed. That has nothing to do with why we're not on the show right now. It's just we have some things going on. YouTube slowed down. Everybody's on vacation, kind of out having their own fun, right? Their own family time. So that's kind of where we're at too. We just kind of like took a break off of it. Had some things going on like Friday. Come Friday nights. This Friday coming up, we probably won't be on either. But we're gonna go to like a RC drag thing. It's a car show. They got RC drags there. So Doc found that, and that's been something we've been wanting to check out. So we caught it this week. Last week, I don't even remember what we got into, honestly. But it's nothing to do with the co-host that's not on the show no more. I'll say it being nice that way, I guess. Nothing to do with that at all. He's went down his old path, and he can go on down that thing and keep moving. That's cool with me. But anyway, kind of let you guys know that you see I'm putting videos out every day again. I'm trying to get back into the YouTube grind thing. I used to do that, if you guys remember, like, slow down, we can't keep up on your videos. I know I sound a little I ride dirt bikes now too, so we went out riding yesterday. Oh my god, the dirt that you eat, just it gets you all messed up. So anyway, this was just to let you guys know that we're still here, we're still doing what we do, we still fly. I've been messing with RC cars again, getting back into that, doing the once a day YouTube video thing again. I'm not trying to like get the number thing again, it's just I want to show you guys that we're still here, we're still doing what we're doing. Thank you guys for your support. I just realized that when the YouTube thing slowed down a lot, I really missed that. That's something I like doing, making content and posting it. So that's where we're at with that. Crystal, hopefully one day she'll get back into the Wacky Wednesday. I can't talk for her. No, when she's ready, she'll do it. But just this is basically to let you know the Drone Network's still here. We're still Friday nights at 7 p.m. We just took off a couple weeks because we have other things going on. When something else is going on and the date's hit on that date, we either do it or don't. So we want to do the car drag race. That's something we're not going to participate. I have a drag car, but it's got an assist and they're not going to allow you to drag race with that. That would be awesome. But yeah, talking about that, Birdman's getting back into drag racing the RC cars. Good luck to you on that, brother. Been talking with Mike a good bit. So anyway, again, just don't want to drag this out 3 minutes into it already. This is the GoPro Hero 8. I don't know what the footy looks like, but I figured I'd capture the quad wall. But yeah, guys, the Drone Network is still here. We're coming up with some new intros, some new things, trying to, like I said, get back in the swing of things. I had a bad bird on my shoulder for a while, so that's gone now. So we're going to get back into doing it. Mix up the dirt bikes, the quads. We'll be doing some drone builds on the table. We'll bring that back to you guys. I'm gonna try to bring everything back to you guys that you enjoyed. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will have content for you guys. Catch you on the next one. Remember, GoPro Hero 8. That's what this guy is. Here's my 9. It's so much different than the 9 too. It's so much thinner and smaller. 4 minutes. We go!